underway, and Austin will take it from the 3 for the Mountaineers. A left alley and a fine return. We're not confident. So young Roberts out of the Washington, D.C. area is just behind the quarterback on first down. There is that quick release and up to mid-screens
to try to keep the defensive line and linebackers honest.
And here is Herbie, one of those running plays right into the teeth of that outstanding defensive front. Now you can see a little pushing and shoving, and there comes a penalty flag. A couple of them come flying. So we'll stay with it because this Rick Lowe's the umpire.
Dead ball, personal foul. 74 on the offense. Penalty 15 yards. Third down.
Just with Smith and the Mountaineers. Under pressure, snaps it off underneath to Austin, and out of bounds. 2nd and 8, they look in his direction and go to the outside man. Battle for the ball, and it falls incomplete. Need 8 yards on this 3rd down. Has time, wide open Randall. Ruben Randall for Jarrett Lee. Come back with the power eye. They're going to throw off the play action. And Lee's got a man wide open and goes deep. Another huge throw on 3rd. That is Odell Beckham Jr. Hey, he is huge on this drive. Both converted 3rd and long. Coming back with Ware. Ware cuts in the hole to Avant. Lee up firing for the end zone, and he's got it for a touchdown. Ruben Randall, who converted one of the 2 3rd downs, he grabs
offense. Huge opening drive for the Tigers.
Drew Alama for 20, checking back into the backfield for West Virginia. Gino under pressure, completes it. The battle for the 1st down, and taken away by Matthew. Matthew stripped him as the LSU defense gave up a completion. It grabbed it midair and scored. Short drop. Jarrett Lee, Herbie's impressive. He snapped that one off again to Rand. He's 2 of 3 for the night. Here they come again. They're going to run for it this time. So after Pat
up front.
Now Stampley led that play. And I'll tell you, toss play to Ford. He blasts his way to the left side. Randall to the right. And Ford runs to the left. Daylight. End zone. Touchdown LSU. Michael Ford.
Sophomore. A great compliment because of his speed and quickness.
Dodge snap. Ball is down. It'll stay at 13.
They're trying to get to one-on-one matchups against this secondary. It's very, very tough.
Bobbles. Gino goes back to pick it up, but his teammate
12 south, and I abandoned him. I left him.
And there's a completion
to the football. Did he get his arm underneath? See if they can snap the ball before they take another look at that.
Gino snaps it off to
and West Virginia hit it.
Got the 1st down. Austin again.
This is the guy that they have to get back mode.
Clark and Garrison now into that backfield. Play action in trouble. Steps away from it. And fires complete. Into the red zone is McCartney. Fires complete. Touchdown West Virginia. Stedman Bailey.
For them to bounce back here in the opening drive of the 2nd quarter.
71 yards and a touchdown. And they come back with Michael Ford. Oh! No, they throw off it. The Mad Hatter is at it again. Touchdown LSU. Beckham scores. That's 52 yards. Mr. Miles, I don't believe it.
Unbelievable scrimmage, and to show the courage to call the play. And out.
Checks in as the running back. Pistol formation for the Mountaineers. Snaps it off, and there's Austin in the middle getting daylight. Austin tries to catch a seam.
Ball, let's go.
Gets it back. Complete again. Another first down. Stops the clock as Babe. Out to the flare, and the running back will step out of bounds to stop the clock. That's
another one back here, doing a great job of taking away, making him throw short. Matthew.
Deflected, picked off. Matthews down to about the 1-yard line. That was the zone where you had to really be careful about throwing the football. Fullback. Stampley is the lead back. Nothing doing. Holgerson in charge. And rolling and throwing and diving for a touchdown in the end zone is Chase Clement from Thibodaux, Louisiana, the junior. And there they are, throwing again when you were young man's first catch. And we take a look at the Pacific Life game summary. It should not surprise any of you, of course, that the turnovers have been so critical in this game. Ford will open the second half as the LSU running back gets the carry, and West Virginia's defense has been unable to lay a hand on Jarrett Lee. He stands in there again and hits Randall for a 1st and 10 in Miami area. He's the right tackle right now. Ford, another first down.
This year, and it's on display again tonight.
Copeland and Ware are now the running back. There's that play action beautifully executed by Lee. And Shepard goes high to pull it down. Draw play. And close to another first down is... There's Ware on the toss. Not going to get the first down that time. 3rd down and 3. Going to throw again from that tight formation, and Randall dropped a touchdown pass. The back of the end zone. It's a 30-yarder. Pulled it left. Missed it left. 9, you're from behind him. Ryan Clark's number 32, the fullback. And they run the end around with Austin. Austin cuts off, looks for an alley, in a foot race. Brought down from behind at the 41-yard line. And 8 back in the pistol formation. Complete.
Decent start here with this first drive of the second half.
Garrison motions. Offensive line gives him time, and he fires for another first down. Not in motion. Pump fakes in his direction. Comes back middle. Touchdown, West Virginia. Tyler Urban. So they find the tight end.
The safety out of position, and Urban goes right.
20-14. And in that third quarter of that game, Geno Smith threw a touchdown pass to Jarrett Lee. Gets a signal straight. Brings Ford, who's hit for a loss in the backfield. Smothered before. Lee throws Shepard, incomplete. And LSU must punt it away. Good for the scouting department.
He's getting around.
Robert comes back and says, I like this left tackle. What are you going to say?
Yeah, you're right.
So here comes Geno. Fading back. Throws over the top. Got it. Foot race. Here comes Austin. Out of bounds at the 18-yard line.
If you haven't seen
game, or do you gamble on a 4th down? Let's see what happens here now. First things first. Set the screen. Got it to the left side. Garrison. Out of bounds inside the 5-yard line. That is a big-time call.
Under the 2-yard line.
Garrison, the freshman, for the touchdown. The coming out of a running back. Through the years of West Virginia, they've had some... And suddenly there's got a... Brooks and Claiborne are back. From the 1 is Claiborne. Burst to the 35, 40, 45, midfield. Won't catch him, folks. 99-yard kickoff return for a touchdown by sophomore Morris Claiborne from Shreveport, Louisiana. Alama.
I think this team is still fighting and battling and still has a chance to be competitive tonight. Over 400 yards against this defense through the air.
Comes back with the screen pass on first down to the 32. Bailey.
Ferguson went to late in the first half.
Second down and 3. And they run for the first down with Dustin. Drops it off to start. So we start the fourth quarter. Giorgino gonna go long. Got one-on-one McCartney. And he can't hang on in that Oregon game in their opener. Third down and 10. Smith trying to buy time. Not known as a great runner. And that time he stepped. LSU with a late substitution. Ball is snapped. Incomplete. He has to hurry but not rush. One team in the land because of playing a schedule like that. Ware sprints outside, twists away, foot race to the 30 and down to about the 26. Tandy run. In the round. Nothing doing. Terrific defense by West. Right flat. And a fine run by Spencer Ware. And 7. Draw play with Ware. First down. Ford. Cuts back. Touchdown LSU. It's on a 42. Throwing for it, no good. It'll stay at 40 from their own 20. Geno Smith back in the gun. Wanted to set the screen, which he does with his young running back. And Garrison picks up 9.
LSU. I didn't know that until I was here tonight. I stood on the sideline, watched them. They're fitting right in. Where there's a mismatch is the offensive and defensive line.
Sure. Every week. You and Todd McShay, looks like you guys are doing a good job with that.
Far side, complete. And another first down, Bailey.
Holgerson, I watched him on the sideline. His style is unique. There's going to be a bunch of kids who want to come play at West Virginia.
Fumble on the snap. LSU pounces on it. West Virginia has turned it over with 8 minutes to go. That's the 4th turnover of the night after this September run. 4-0 as Ware bangs away toward another first down here on second down.
Jalen Martinez can take the Huskers on the road in what should be a very hostile environment there in Madison.
That'll be a great scene next Saturday in Madison, Wisconsin for that game. And the young man takes it in for the touchdown. Alfred Blue, sophomore from Louisiana, 6'2", 215 pounds. That's the I actually thought that I had never, ever encountered stories like we're coming out of Morgantown. And there's the passed up that opportunity this year and went back to Stanford. And he's just an outstanding young man. Incomplete.
Big return by Mo Claiborne, LSU. Most impressive resume, in my opinion, through the month of September. Very well deserving of being ranked at 2 and very easily could come back.